We're going to do a brief video on Tesla stock, TSLA, Tesla stock analysis. And we've got a daily chart of Tesla up here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a blue 200-day moving average. Again, this is a daily chart of Tesla. You can see Tesla's currently trading way up from yesterday's lows. It looks like Tesla is about $20 and $220.98 on 10 million shares, almost 11 million shares, average daily volume 73 million shares. Tesla's actually showing that it's down about 0.5%, down $1. But let's take a quick look at it because it's interesting. Tesla's clearly in the bear market. It's below the 20, below the 200, below the 20. Now it's just above, right this second, above the 5-day moving average, but it did close above the 5-day moving average yesterday. So we had a close yesterday, $221.72, and the moving average for 5 days was about $220. So it's up a little bit, and that's the first time it's closed above it since all the way back in September 28th. So that's a very interesting little development. Let's take a look real quick at a weekly chart. And we can see that Tesla came down, briefly broke the 206.86 support from back in May, but only by less than $1. It touched 206.20 and 22 cents, then rallied. So let's take a look at the hourly chart real quick because it's interesting. You'll notice that Tesla has been, from an hourly chart all the way back from the 29th of September, it's been below the 20-day moving average. It's never closed above it. Now we've got some closes above it here. In late trading here 2 or 3 hours ago, we're above the 20 bar hourly moving average, and I suspect that means that this price is going to rally up to around, maybe, and this is all my opinion for entertainment purposes only, we may get Tesla up here around 240ish, 239, 240, assuming this rally continues. Usually when you get a break above this 20 bar moving average on an hourly chart, as you can see, you get yourself a decent rally. And so I don't think that a rally up to the 240 level is out of the question. Now let's take a look and see what RBM Research says about it. Keep in mind, this is all my opinion for entertainment purposes only. RBM Research says Tesla today, right here, TSLA, is not indicating any buy prices, which the algorithm is probably calculating that this market's overbought, and or this stock is overbought. Let's take a look at the trend following system for Tesla. We've got a 30-day hold, and for Tesla it indicates a short at $222.99. And let's go and take a look and see where Tesla's high is today. So this is showing Tesla's high at 226 and a low of 222.40 cents. So basically, our longer term 30-day trend following system says Tesla's still a short. Remember, this is all for entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk. But my technical analysis says Tesla's probably going to rally to about 240. Doesn't mean anything's right or wrong. It just means you may or may not be able to make money on either one. It's all up to you. It's your own discretion, and you trade at your own risk. But I do think from a technical perspective, we're liable to get a little drop back here in the price and then a rally up to this 240 level. Because the stock, to me, to my mind, this stock's oversold. So that's what I'm looking for here. You have to obviously trade at your own risk, but that's what I'm looking for in Tesla. As I showed you today, without trend following, Tesla shows no entries, and our longer term is still short at almost $223 for a short price. If you'd like access to all of the information RBM Research puts out every morning for entry prices, you can get them all at rbmresearch.com. No credit card required. Everything's free. Follow the link in the description below and sign up with your email address at rbmresearch.com for access to 190 plus stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures. They're all updated by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Keep in mind, every single thing you've seen or heard on here, including the entry prices in my commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything but entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, please leave it in the comment section below.